Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Realme 14T. Okay, so let's begin. So in the beginning I will tell you that there are two options how you can reset this phone. And I'm gonna show you both of them, and also remember that by performing a reset you will basically lose all of your data, so have that in mind. So now let's begin. So let's open up our settings and let's scroll down until we find the system and update. And in here we have the option backup and reset. Also in here you can create a backup for your data. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a bunch of videos when we are showing how to create such a backup on the Realme phones. Okay, so now all you need to do is to tap on the reset phone. In here you can also reset network and Bluetooth settings by simply clicking this red button. Also you can reset all settings by clicking this red button. But we are interested in the erase all data option, reset to factory settings. So basically you need to click on it and then click on this red button, clear. And after that your phone will be turned off and then automatically turn on again. And basically you will need to set up your phone. Also, factory resetting your phone is recommended when you plan to sell your phone in the future. So it's good to perform this. Okay, so that was the first method. Now I'm gonna show you the second one, which is by the recovery mode. And it's recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's lagged or frozen and basically unresponsive. So first up, let's turn off our phone. Let's tap on the power button and the volume up button. And now let's slide this white ball into the power off. Now let's release our finger. Okay, now the phone is off. And now we need to enter the recovery mode. And to do this, we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. And when the Realme logo will appear, then we can release our fingers. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's keep on holding. Okay, now we can release. You can also see in the left down corner that there was a small recovery mode. Okay, now we are here. And now to move around this menu, we use the volume buttons. So you want to select English, and let's confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, and now we need to select format data, again confirm. Now we need to enter this verification code on our keyboard. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, and now click on format. Okay, data formatted, click on OK. And now, just like in the first case, the phone will be automatically turned on back again and then ready to use. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.